What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a video on this right here, how you do like hold the wheelie. It's pretty cool. So here I'll show you. It's a glitch. I figured out. I was just doing it. I know how to do it, so it's easy. I always use that character. It's pretty cool. I have a dirt bike too. All I gotta do is make a straight line. This is a straight line, that's it. And then hit that. Then you change it whatever one you want. I like that way. And after that, I'll show you and put you guys up. Here's my character. Put you guys up. Okay, we'll restart. You have to do, you see this right here? You have to hit that too, so you're also you have to go like this, right? Oh, there's a lump right there, that's why. And then step like that, and now watch it. That's the glitch, so. And how do you guys go on your lift your back here? I'm trying to do that, like, oh, wait. Yeah, that's how you do it, so. Hit that, and you hit that. You can let off, too. But sometimes you'll pop up, and it's easy. Just an easy glitch, and Easter egg, I should say, glitch, whatever. So, yeah, just like that. You can just go as slow as you want. You don't even have to hit it, but it'll pop up. You have to give it some gas. And also, I want to show you guys something. You want to know how you can backflip on this? Right there. That thing right there. I'll show you what's this. I'll show you. Okay, let's start with it. I know you have to hit. You have to wheelie at the right time and then hit it, and then you can get it. Now get messed up. I know how to do it, but it's hard. It's very hard to do this. And yeah, guys, I'll add some music in. So yeah, watch this. You have to hit like right in the middle of this. Really right in the middle of it. Like that, boom. You have to, your front tire has to be in the middle of this. As you lift up, so. That's it of the video. I'm sick too, so peace out, guys. See you guys in the next video. This is just how to do and stuff, like a glitch and stuff. So I hope I get a lot of views, and subscribe, like, and peace out, guys. Oh my God, just laying down dead. Okay.